I know it turned you on. Gee.
You need to get the owner's manual and read it.
Well, seeing if you've learned so much, why don't you tell me what to do?
Stop putting it out.
How about I turn the pressure down?
So there's too much pressure.
Yeah, when I turn on the oxygen, it just blows out the acetylene.
Okay.
Let's try it again.
Okay, we're gonna try it again. There we go. So this is silver soldering. Hopefully. I'm assuming you want a nice soft flame.
Yeah. When you see the two cones, that's called carburizing. Watch that outer cone disappear. That's neutral. And when you see it really sharp, that's oxidizing. And sometimes you need different flames depending on what you're doing. In
Oh.
this case, a little more of that cone is a good thing.
So what's interesting, and this has nothing to do with what you're about to do, but I've been painting in the in like abstract fire. And look at that thing. Look at that. And I don't mean you, old timer. I know you're looking at it. But what freaking color is that flame? Yes, there's a little red and orange, but look, it is blue. Blue, purpley blue, red, purpley blue. I'm going to have to remember that. However, I will be honest, and you probably know why, but it seems like gas flame is a different color flame than like wood flame. And all of the fires I've seen that are wood based, I don't remember seeing a lot of blue, but like all gas fire seems to be blue. Anyway.